Hello, friend. This is Ryan Hicks of TaughtToProfit.com. Today I want to talk to you about renewing your mind. Sometimes people ask, well, how can I keep my mind renewed to prosperity and abundance and being productive and giving God glory and doing more with my life than just the standard mediocrity that is the norm, especially if they're going to a workplace or at their home. They're being bombarded with negativity, people who speak negatively. They're talking about the negative things in the news and this person bad and how you can't do this, you can't do that, and this is bad, taking away from you, and this is limiting you, and all these things. How do you overcome all that negativity that's constantly surrounding you? Well, first thing is to make sure that you've taken the steps to eliminate as much of that as possible. For example, maybe you need to change to a different workplace or a different occupation within that workplace. There are things you can probably do to change some of the things going on around you at your workplace. And one of the things is to change yourself. When you start becoming a different person, that radiates that to other people. But that's one of the things I'm going to deal with, because it's kind of a chicken and an egg thing, where which comes first? Well, you have to change yourself to have your outward circumstances begin to change. It's never the outward circumstances change and then you become a better person. It's you have to change from within and renew your mind. So one of the things I want to suggest is my book, 600 Wealth, Prosperity, and Abundance Affirmations. I have an audiobook version of it. It's very inexpensive. You get that, and at night when you go to bed, let that run. Play that and have those affirmations wash over you and renew your mind while you're sleeping. And then in the most important state you're in to take in stuff in your subconscious mind, you'll be taking in positive affirmations that are building you up, edifying you, making you a better person. And here's one of the things you'll find is you'll start waking up if you do this. And I do this myself. It's my own book, and I listen to those affirmations nightly. They play each and every night. And one of the things you'll notice is you'll wake up with business ideas, inventions, financial remedies for things that are going on in your life. You will see massive differences. Because you can't stop what other people are doing, but you can change yourself from within. And as it applies to those other people in your workplace or wherever it may be, as you do that, and each night you're renewing your mind, and you're getting good things in your heart, good things in your mind, you're going to change what's going on around you. Because so often your circumstances are more like a projection of what is within you. And so if you're the person in lack, you're the person in anger, you're the person with rage, you're the person with bitterness, that's what happens around you. That's your circumstances. As a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. That's what you'll be. But if you renew your mind and take the active steps, because you can't just sit around and think, I'm going to do 4 affirmations a day and somehow renew my life and change my life for the good. If you'll take my book, my audiobook, play that each night, you will renew your mind, and day in and day out, you will become a new person. You won't be that same person. If you do that for 1 month, you should just keep doing it. But if you do that for 1 month, you'll be so different at the end of that 1 month period. Because what you're doing is you're going day in and day out. Maybe you do a little bit of affirmations, a little bit of visualization. All that stuff is to change your mind and to get you to believe something that's for your good and for the good of others. But as you do that day in and day out, and you have those affirmations playing directly into your subconscious mind while you're sleeping, you will renew your mind, and you'll become that person of great abundance and seeing God as your source, and you'll be able to believe and receive. No more lack, and the things going on around you and the circumstances and the people and all that stuff will start to also change along with you. As you renew your mind more and more, you'll become a new person, a better person, and your circumstances will become new and better. My friend, I pray this is a blessing for you. May God bless you richly.